Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how can you clear app cache on iPhone. So in order to clear your app cache on iPhone, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you want to do is first thing first, open up your settings on your device and scroll down and go to the general section. So when you go to the general section, from the general list, select Safari. After which you could go and tap then to clear the web cache, or go to website data. You could find this data right over here, right? So click on remove all website data if it's unnecessary. This is one way of clearing your app cache. The other thing what you could also do is you could also clear your Chrome browser's data. So do the same thing, go to the general and locate the app that you want to clear the cache for and follow the on-screen prompt and you'll have successfully cleared your app cache on iPhone. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.